Ready to transform your online presence and build your dream website without writing a single line of code. First, open Adobe Dreamweaver. This is where the magic happens. Click Create New and select HTML to start a new, blank website. Think of this as your canvas, ready for your design. Now, let's head to the design view. This allows you to build your website visually. Click inside the design window and type in your website's title or start with something that identifies what it is about. Next, start building. Check the very helpful Insert panel. With different tools you can insert various features, such as links, images, or even a navigation bar. This helps get your base structure ready. Use a drag and drop feature to add images or videos to show off your brand. Position them where you like and resize them to create a look you want. Dreamweaver gives you the freedom to control the elements you're creating. Add text by clicking and typing. To add content, you determine the look of the text by changing the font style, size, and color using the Properties panel. Keep it simple to start. Once you're satisfied with your design in the design view, or if you prefer, you can dive into the code view behind the scenes to make precise adjustments. This is where the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code lives. Need to manage your website files? Open the Files panel. If you select Local View, this is where you will manage your website structure, including adding the web page file and any photos. It's key to a successful website. It's time to see your work in action. Preview your website by selecting Preview in Browser. Here you can see it the way others around the world can view it and make changes as needed.